Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you my new website, so let's take a closer look. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. This is just my channel right here. But then if you go up to the bottom right, the YouTube banner up here, it'll say my website. So you just click on that, and it'll be my home page right here. So then if you just go up to Lego instructions, or well actually we're going to save that one until later. We're going to go into merch, just coming soon. Because, you know, it's like expensive to have merch if you didn't know that. Support, subscribe to me, give me 2,000 subs for more content and merch. Well, maybe merch. I might make merch if you give me 2,000 subs. So if you want to see merch, give me 2,000 subs. And about, this is actually the same about section as on my YouTube channel. So this right here, and then if we go on my YouTube channel and press about, it'll be right here. So like, channel subscriber milestones, it is right there. So it's the exact same. I think, yeah, pretty much everything's the exact same. So right there is the same. Contact is right here, but then contact is also at the bottom of the pages too. So right here it's at the bottom of every single page, and the last update I've updated it. And then I have YouTube down here also with my Instagram and Twitter linked, so you can go and check those out too. Also, Lego instructions. So this is the main part of the website. So Lego Star Wars, you just click on this. There's just these two instructions right here for Lego Star Wars. These are all the tutorials I have right now for Lego Star Wars. But if I just click on AAT and STAP right here, I can scroll down on this like this. It's really simple. And then if you think that's way too small, you just press open a new tab and it will be bigger. So then you can actually see it. So that's what this is like. And then AAT, there's also instructions for this one. This one's a lot bigger build, so there's a lot more steps and a lot more pieces. Yeah, those are the instructions for Star Wars. And then if we go Mini Lego Vehicles tutorial, it'll be like the original one you guys can finally get to know how to build these other ones, like the tugboat and stuff that I know a few you like really wanted. So you can just get the instructions right there on it now. And then if we go on everything else, it's just everything besides Star Wars tutorials and Mini Lego Vehicles tutorials. So got Giant Lego Ball in here and Working Lego Infinity Cube tutorial. So those are both on here. On Mini Lego Vehicles tutorial 2, I put Mini Lego Semi-Truck tutorial on it too, because it's technically a Mini Lego vehicle to me. And yeah, this is my instructions on my website. And then up here, there's a subscribe button. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, this is my website right here. So, yeah, as always, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell.